What? You right? Okay, thank you very much for the nomination, Francis Schofield. You're a dead man walking. Okay, so I nominate, I've got the girls here to help me today. I nominate Ian Perry, Jess Eccleston, and of course, my own sister, Amanda Cleary Schofield. You have 24 hours to 48 hours to complete the challenge. $100 if you don't. To motor neurone disease. I think you've raised a lot of money. It's very good. I hope this doesn't hurt as much as it looks like it's going to hurt. Righto, girls, when you're ready. Go. Righto.